Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so fixes work. Update TikTok now because outdated builds often hide features. Once done, ensure you've granted storage and network permissions so search content can load. Make sure background data is allowed, otherwise the app can't refresh results. Next, clear the TikTok cache in settings and force close the app. This removes corrupt temp files that block video thumbnails. Restart the app and try search. If videos still don't show, continue to the more detailed steps. Now you tackle connectivity and account state. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out router or ISP filtering. Once changed, retry search to see if videos load. If network isn't the issue, log out and log back into your account because session tokens can corrupt search indexing. Alternatively, reinstall the app to rebuild local files. Make sure to test search on a different device or with another account. This helps you determine whether the problem is device-specific or an account. Finish by ruling out policy and reporting routes. Check account restrictions and age or region limits. These can suppress video results. If everything seems fine, use web, TikTok, COM, or a VPN briefly to test whether region-based filtering is the cause. If the issue persists, submit a detailed bug report from settings. Right arrow report a problem, including screenshots, timestamps, and steps to reproduce so TikTok can act. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, wait a few hours after reporting. Server-side fixes often take time to propagate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.